In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy a domain on Hostinger step by step. If you're starting a website, launching a business, or building a personal brand, securing your domain name is the very first thing you need to do. Don't worry, the process is simple, and I'll walk you through everything from searching for your domain to completing your purchase. And if this video helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com/domains. This will take you directly to Hostinger's domain search page. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar in the center of the screen. This is where you'll type in the domain name you want. Go ahead and enter your desired domain name, for example, your business name or your brand name, and then click the search button. Hostinger will now check availability. If your domain is available, you'll see different extension options like .com, .net, .online, and many more. If the exact name is taken, don't worry. Hostinger will suggest alternative extensions or similar names you can choose from. Next, look through the available extensions carefully. In most cases, .com is the most popular and trusted option, but depending on your project, other extensions like .net or .online may also work perfectly. Once you decide which one you want, click Add to Cart next to your chosen domain. Now go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the cart icon. This will take you to the checkout page. Here, you'll see your selected domain listed. Take a moment to review it carefully to make sure everything is correct. You'll also be able to select your registration length. Typically, you can register your domain for 1, 2, or 3 years. If you're serious about your project, registering for multiple years can save you from worrying about renewal too soon. Choose the option that works best for you. Next, you'll see optional add-ons. One important add-on is WHOIS privacy protection. I highly recommend keeping this turned on because it hides your personal contact details from the public database. This helps protect you from spam and unwanted contact. You may also see options for professional email or hosting. If you already have hosting, you can skip that part. If not, you can bundle it together for convenience. Once you've reviewed everything, click Continue to proceed. At this point, you'll either need to log in to your existing Hostinger account or create a new one. If you're new to Hostinger, simply enter your email address and create a password to sign up. The process only takes a minute. After logging in, you'll move on to the payment section. Here, you can choose your preferred payment method. Hostinger typically accepts credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and sometimes other regional payment options. Select your payment method, enter your details, and complete the purchase. Once the payment goes through, wait a few seconds while Hostinger processes and activates your domain. In most cases, activation is almost instant. You'll receive a confirmation email, and your new domain will appear inside your Hostinger dashboard. And that's it. Your domain is now active. From here, you can connect it to a hosting plan, manage DNS settings, create a professional email address, or connect it to platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or a website builder. Buying a domain on Hostinger is quick and beginner-friendly once you know the steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.